Okay, we're back on the tutorial, so we're gonna do our config.php. So what this do, it will connect to our database, so php and like that. So first we need 3 variables. So first we're gonna create the user. So what's the user for PHP MyAdmin? It's roots, so that's the default. So next is the password, db.pass, so it's equal to nothing, so the default is nothing, and we need the database name, so db.name to something is equal to, I think we type it registration, right? Okay, so let's check. Okay, registration, so this is the one, and end of that. So we're gonna use PDO to connect, so we're gonna call it db is equal to something new PDO. Okay, so we're gonna use PDO, right? So this is the what do you call it, so this is the thing we're gonna use. So just I'm gonna copy on the documentation, so you don't need to remember this, so just we need a copy. So this is the documentation for PDO, and if you wanna read about PDO, so you can do that. So you don't need to remember, so I'm gonna just explain this. So you don't need to remember to type this all, just understand what's the meaning. So you need to read the documentation for this. So yeah, so basically we're gonna make a object. So this is our instance, so MySQL host, local host. So this is the local host, so we're accessing on the local host, and db name is equal to our this one, registration, charset UTF-8, and we're gonna give the password and the username. So we're gonna set our attribute to error mode and exception. If there's error, it will do the error. So if you wanna read the PDO and exception, so this is the link. So just type on php.net, find the documentation about that, and if you wanna read, so yeah. Okay, so this is our config file for our file. So on next tutorial, so this is a straightforward video. So this is basic, you can just go to the documentation and paste it, use the user, password, and database name. So yeah, so see you on the next tutorial.